Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of March 25th through the 31st. This is in my B&R Paper Crafts Plan B planner. It's awkwardly positioned so that it's more flat, but that's where we're at. For this week, I'm using this really old weekly sticker kit by Sweet Kawaii Designs by CraftSmith. I got it at Michael's like a million years ago. I don't know what this kit is called, but it's like punny things, and it has hollow foil. So definitely got a lot going on there. The only thing I pulled out to go with this kit for this week is this Pilot pen in black, just so that I can write the dates up along the top. But we're gonna just kind of see how it goes, I guess. So my plan is to use these guys as the bottom washi. I think they're pretty good width. So I'm gonna put those at the bottom, and then I'm gonna put this like super extra hollow foil scallops up here at the top, and I'm just gonna put it all the way across. I'm not gonna trim between the columns. I think it's gonna be fine. And I am also going to put in, while I'm at it, these Monday through Sunday little headers, and then I'm gonna add the date with this pen, and then I will figure out the rest as we go. So I'm going to do those couple of things, and then I will be back so that we can talk about the interesting bits. All right, here's where we're at so far. Already a ridiculous amount of foiling, and we have not even begun. So it's looking good, I guess. For the sidebar, I think I'm going to start out with this Life is Sweet little header. I think it's really cute. Seems nice to start out on like a positive note, you know? All right, there we go. And then what do I want to put after that? A lot of hydration trackers. Okay, and then there's like these skinny habit trackers and wide habit trackers. I think I'm going to use a wide one. This one that's a rainbow. And leave a little gap here. There we go. That's looking cute. And then there's remember to buy, don't forget important. I'm trying to see what the headers are. Nothing super relevant. All right, maybe I'll just use this little scallop guy. Leave a little gap again. There we go. And then I need to trim it. There we go. It leaves like tiny strippy scrap, but that's fine. And then put in this days of the week situation for tracking my food or something like that. And then it leaves this much space. I think that's about one of these guys would fit. So maybe I put in one of those. Let me just see if there's anything that I like better. Nope, I think that's what I'm going to put in. I'm going to put in this little guy. This little panda that says important. There we go. I think that amount of gap down there is totally fine. And we are done the sidebar. Moving on to the daily plans. I did not really like plan anything in preparation for this plan with me, to be completely honest. I just kind of showed up and started laying stuff down. But I didn't put in any like dividers or anything. through the middle because I'm just going to kind of see how it goes. I have a lot of strips that could potentially work as dividers. Another one here, some more here. So I have them if I need them, but I kind of just want to see how I can make it work. So we're going to probably just do that. I have enough of these guys, so that could work for marking work. I have enough of these as well. Well, they're so big and I don't care that much. Okay. I think we're gonna go with these guys for marking work. I'm just gonna try to put them in so that it doesn't match whatever the header color is. So here's my first work strip. And then Monday I will have a video going up. It should be a plan with me. I'm seeing if any of the icons are like video-esque. There's these guys. That would work. I think I'm actually going to use this one. I'm going to put it like this, I think. Okay. Put that in. And then the other thing I know I have going on Monday, unfortunately, is a doctor's appointment. So we're going to use one of these little appointment guys. And that fits in right there, like so. So I don't know if it's going to show that the sides don't go down, whatever. It's going to be fine. So that's Monday. Tuesday, the big thing is that it is my birthday, hence why I'm using a kit that's like pretty extra, because I just thought that would be fun for my birthday. So let's see. Ooh, this guy seems perfect. Okay, gonna stick this little guy down so I can mark that it's my birthday. Excuse me. And then I'm gonna put underneath it, we'll use this little blue strip. I'm gonna have it go this way. There we go. And then maybe I want to stick in a box. Maybe I'll, no. Is there a particular box that I want to go? Maybe we'll use this one. And just put that in right under that. Okay. That's where we're at for Tuesday. We do have a curling game. That'll probably be the last thing that we do for the day. I thought I saw some like workout guys. There's these guys. Okay. I'm gonna use one of these. And then somewhere, I remember seeing some flags. I think we'll use one of these flags. What color do I want it to be? I'm gonna use orange, I think. I'm just gonna stick this down here at the bottom. Like so. Okay. Wednesday. I've got nothing planned except work. So just gonna stick in the little work sticky. There we go. Nothing else for now. We'll figure it out. Thursday, pretty much the same situation. I think I might stick in this full box up here at the top first. There we go. I think that one's funny. Maybe a purple. A work guy. There we go. And then Friday, start with another work guy. Like so. And then another video is going up. I think probably my April book bujo. You'll know before you see this video. And then I think that is all I've got. Oh, Sunday. Sunday is Easter, which isn't like a hugely influential thing in my life, but still good to remember, especially because it definitely changes availability of like places being open and stuff like that. So I want to make sure to mark it for that reason at the very least. Let's see. For some reason, I feel like it should just be a donut. So that's just what we're going to go with. Stick that right there to mark that it's Easter. And then while I'm at it, I'm going to stick in this weekend banner. And we are not curling on Easter, so don't need to fit that in. But my plan is to stick this weekend banner right here. There we go. Okay, so I think that's where we're at with the pre-planning. Pretty bare bones, since I am not putting in all the boxes yet and all that stuff, but it's looking cute. Do a little wiggle and a twerk. Super foil lace, if that's exciting. Stick around for just a second and you can see how the finished spread turned out. All right, here is the finished spread. I'll do a little wiggle and a twerk. There is a ton of hollow foil on here. I love how it turned out. Definitely a little extra, but super fun. I do have a decent amount of the sticker book left. Some functional bits and pieces, some headers, little things, some boxes, some washi strips, a bunch of icons, some more functional stuff, some more washi and functional bits, more washi, functional bits, icons, and then this super foily page with a mixture of a bunch of different stuff. So I'm going to throw that in my leftovers, use it with some future spread, whatever that might be. But it turned out really good. It was an overall good week, very busy, but nice. Had a fun birthday, and went out to eat a little bit over the weekend. So I think that's all I really have for today. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know your highlight of the week down below, or leave me some sort of food related emoji, just to say hi if you don't have anything to say. And then follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. I show in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shops, show you bits and pieces of my life, what I'm reading, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.